Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Muhammad Uwais Atta Siddiqui and this is the introductory video of the new YouTube channel that I have been talking about with the name of Mastering FRM. So the prime purpose of making this video is to introduce myself, that who am I, what do I do, and why you should be following this channel and the updates that I'll be coming with. And two, what you should be expecting from this channel. Okay, so you may ask, who am I and what do I do and why you should ideally be following me and what authority do I have to talk about the financial risk management, which is pretty, pretty technical and very specialized sort of subject. So my name is Muhammad Wes Atta Siddiqui. Let me just write Muhammad Wes. By education, I have a degree in actuarial science and risk management. We call it ASRM sometimes. So let me just write it BS Actuarial Science and Risk Management. I did it from University of Karachi back in 2009. I was one of the first few batches that were passed out from the university. Then I pursued a certification in financial risk management. It's called FRM. It is something that I also teach. So I am a certified FRM from Global Association of Risk Professionals. I did it back in 2011 and got my certification in around 2012 when I completed my 2 years experience requirement. So this is, and then I pursued an MS degree in MS or MPhil, whatever you call it. It's used interchangeably. So I have an MS. I am actually pursuing in the final stages of MS degree in economics. So basically, after working in the risk management side, I try to diversify a little and look at the broader picture. And my area is actually macroeconomy. So I work in economy, something that I'll just quickly discuss also. But I specialize in macroeconomy and financial economy, of course. So this is my academia, my academic background. So this is something that I have been doing for quite some time. Then from a professional perspective, I started working with AF Ferguson and Co. Also refer as PwC. Globally, it's called PwC. It's a member from of PricewaterhouseCoopers. I started working in its risk advisory department. Okay, so this is all now called business and risk consulting with a broader view. So I joined risk advisory back in 2010. Before that, I also did an internship there in 2008. Okay, so initially I joined as a research analyst. I started working on building models of risk management. Then I started working on policy and procedures. Uh, procedures. Then I worked on system implementations. System implementations. Then I worked on pillar two, which is what we call it as ICAP. Then I did capital adequacy related assignments, which is what we call as CAR. I did it for all, not all, but most of the top financial institutions of Pakistan. So I did that. That on the other side, I also worked on business process reengineering related assignments. We call it BPR and COSO. COSO is basically Enterprise Risk Management related projects. So I did those projects also. So this is what I did at PwC. I worked there for 8 odd years. Then I moved, and my current position is country manager at Islamic International Rating Agency. It is one of the institution of Islamic Development Bank. So I work there. I lead the Pakistan office where I conduct credit ratings. When I'll be covering topics, I'll be talking about credit rating. Yes, so I do credit ratings of banks, Islamic banks, of governments, of takaful companies, and of corporates. Okay, so I do that, and I also lead the sovereign rating department that our organization has. Okay, so on a macro level, I do sovereign rating. So I operate in around 16 countries. So this is my area of work. Okay, and other than that, I have recently started teaching FRM. So I also teach FRM through online classes only right now. So this is my brief introduction. It's not that brief, but this is the briefest that I could cover. So apologies for that. So let's come to my topic. Next topic, that what should you ideally be expecting from my channel, and the prime objective of introducing this channel. So prime objective is educating people. Okay, so I came to a point. I realized that there aren't a lot of people who talk about financial risk management and enterprise risk management and the related stuff, and it is something that people want to know, that people want to learn. So the prime objective is education. So I'm not into monetizing this channel, so I won't be I won't be marketing it. I won't be asking you to uh, subscribe, like, and share my videos, so you won't find it anywhere, and it will take a lot of time, let me tell you. So I won't be doing it. Obviously, if I'll be putting good stuff, you will be subscribing, or you will be liking it, you will be sharing it. So that's something that comes organically, and I believe in organic growth. So I won't be doing all of these things. So I'm not making this channel for monetizing, and don't have any such objective. The prime objective is to reach masses and try to educate them and to share the knowledge that I've built over the years. So to begin with, I'm starting three things. So first series that I'll be talking about, that I'll just start putting it in a couple of days, hopefully. I will start with the history of risk management. Okay, so in this particular series, it will have around 3 to 4 episodes. So I'll talk about that, what risk management is, what is the definition, where it come from. Is it a recent phenomena, or it dates back to the Babylonian time, when I'm talking about like 1750 BC, when people used to use insurance as a product to the risk management. Okay, so this is one thing. The other thing that I intend to start is, I'll be starting a guest speaker series. Okay, so I'll be starting a guest speaker series. I'll be inviting different guests who are working in risk management, and they will probably have an FRM degree. So I'll be doing it to promote the FRM classes that I'm doing. So that's an objective. But another objective is to be able to let people know what FRMs are doing and what it's happening in risk management field. So you'll have people from around the world. So people joining from Middle East, from Canada, from the US, from the EU side, from Pakistan, of course. So you will have a lot of people joining from different places. You will have a different perspective, what risk management route and what are they doing. Then the third thing that I'll be starting is, I'll be sharing some of the lectures that I have been teaching in my FRM classes. It won't be long lectures. It will be like 10 minutes short videos, but it will give you an idea that how do I teach and what do we cover in financial risk management. So this is obviously this channel is just not restricted to this particular thing. I'll probably expand it and introduce other thing. I'll be talking about career related thing also. I'll be talking about there's something that I intend to move forward. So I'll be talking about career related also. What are the skills that you need to enter into the FRM field, what are the qualifications, and what are the other requirements. But that's something that I intend to start later point. But right now, I will be starting these three things, and I would like to invite you to this channel, and I hope that you will follow, and it will be a value addition to your journey. Thank you so much for watching the video. This is Wes signing off. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.